a Minion plush in there.
All right, Mr. Alec. I think I'm not a movie star, am I?
Yes.
I am?
Yes.
I'm a movie star? I know I'm a movie star.
I have a Minion plush too.
Yeah? You
Yeah,
do?
I have one. Yeah, I do.
Cool. That's awesome. What are you going to do with these videos, Alec Looters?
Post on YouTube.
Post on YouTube for who?
Me.
For you?
Yes.
Oh. I'll be a movie star. I can't believe I forgot their stuff. All right, now we're really off to lunch.
Mm-hmm.
Where are we going?
Good company.
Good company. Brian's never been there before, so it'll be new for him.
Yeah.
Alec and I go to it every single time we're together. It's his favorite, right?
Yes.
Right. And he likes to get the same thing every time.
Yeah.
I like to try something different almost every time I'm there. I like different foods.
Yeah.
Let me guess, are you going to get your burrito today?
Yes.
Yes. I know Brian's kind of excited. He's going to probably try, there's my phone, try some, some French fries.
Yeah, I like French fries.
Yeah, you do. And they have other stuff too, I think, that you'll eat there too. So we'll see. We'll take a look at the menu.
Don't they have any ketchup there?
Sure do.
Yeah, I like ketchup on my fries sometimes.
Yes, they do. Yup. I don't know what I'm going to have today. I was there last Sunday, Alec, with my family. The kids and I, and my husband went. I got salad and it was really delicious.
Nice.
It was a good one. I don't know what I'm going to get today. It's trying to warm up today, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Let's get some air on. Excuse me. You like this warm weather?
Yes.
Yeah, me too. Brian, do you like warm weather?
What?
Do you like the warm weather?
Sometimes I like the warm weather.
Yeah. What do you like the best? Do you like?
I just like winter. We like winter.
You really like winter. You like the cold weather?
Yeah.
That's nice.
I like the cold weather.
Yeah, people like different things. I prefer hot weather.
Yeah, but I like cold weather.
That's cool.
I always have like warm showers though.
Yeah. I like warm showers too.
Yeah.
I took a nice hot shower this morning.
Yeah.
I'm saving for lunch.
You can eat breakfast and lunch, you know.
Yes.
Yeah. It's healthy you eat breakfast. And you don't get too hungry that you overeat at lunchtime. I made scrambled eggs and French toast today. So good.
Is this the place?
Yep, this is the place. It's called Good Company.
Ooh.
It's pretty big inside. It's cool.
This is actually a big place.
It is pretty big. All right. We can leave your